This is a quick demo on using texture brushes to draw a tree. First, let's do a background. Press I for the eyedropper tool, pick the foreground color, then press Option to pick the background color. Then switch over to the gradient tool, click, press Shift and drag to create a background. Press B for the brush tool. I'll choose the leaf tool that we created in this class. Pick a green color, make this large. Press Shift and drag and create some ground. Then switch over to the trunk layer. Using simple round brush, hardness 100%, 100% opacity. Pick a medium tree trunk color and then press it hard and then just create a tree trunk following the photo. Press E for the erase tool. Press O for the dodge and burn tool. Choose the burn tool. Pick the watercolor salt tool. Add textures to the tree trunks and tree branches all over. Use the dodge tool. Pick the same watercolor. I'll just add texture all over as well. Now I will switch over to the fuzzy edge. Sizes down. On the side facing towards the light source, just brighten the top edges overall. So always start learning how to draw by looking at the photo reference. Switch over to the burn tool, choose the same fuzzy edge, and then darken the branches on the shadow side. And I will now go back to the dodge tool to brighten the root and then also add some more texture to the branches. Add another layer. This layer is going to be leaf. Press B for the brush tool and then pick the leaves. Pick the darkest leaves color and then start adding the leaves. I will move this layer below the tree trunk. Create another layer, also label this leaves. Pick a lighter value and then start adding the leaves. Next, I will add another layer and pick an even lighter value, start adding the leaves. Keep adding details using dodge, burn, and brush tools until you're satisfied with the results. Use the erase tool to reshape the tree trunk. Use the erase tool with the leaf brush to thin out some foliage. So that's a quick demo on how to draw trees using texture brushes.